Hi everyone, my name is Lucas.
My name is Jason.
My name is Jacob.
We are from 10 stones. At Bug 1, destination will not show up, so we change height to show.
Bug 3, when the left arrow press the player move to the right, so we change from 2 to -2.
At the Bug 4, when up earlier was versus the player can move up, and we change the press to up earlier.
The player can drag off when move forward. His color not same, so we change the color darkly.
At last, Bug 8, the pickup will not show up after the player arrives the destination. We change height to show.
For the example, we add the school beside the road, so there we have the children cross the road. So the driver must drive carefully, so that the children are safe. Thank you.